Arithmetic and Number Sequence Part 2, Question 19. In this number sequence, I have the numbers 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, and 37. And logically, if I try to add, some of you will try to say a plus 3, for example. But if I would continue with this plus 3, I do not get 10. So hence, this guess is not valid. Now let us try to look at another way of finding this. It's easy for me to write down the next term, but to find a formula for the nth term of the sequence, hence I need to look at nth term. That means when term 1, for example, nth term. Okay, when n equals to 1, my number is 2. How do I get 1 from 2? Probably I can make a guess, 1 plus 1, maybe. Let's take a look. When n equals to 2, the n equals to 2, that means the second term. I have the number 5, 8. Previously, I have a plus 1. So if it's going to be a certain fixed formula, fixed pattern, I'll probably need to consider something about plus 1. What do I have plus 1 in this case? Oh, 4 plus 1. But let's look at the relationship. How is 4 related to the number 2? How is 1 related to the number 1? Let's look at the third term to tell us more. When n equals to 3, term 3, the third term is 10. If I want to continue with this same pattern, still something plus 1, what will I have for something plus 1? Oh, it's 9. Can you see a certain relationship now? When I have 1, 1 plus 1. When I have 2, n equals to 2, 4 plus 1, 8. How is 4 related to 2? When I have the number 3, n equals to 3, I have 9 plus 1. Can you make a guess for the fourth term? How will it look like? When n equals to 4, you will probably 4, fourth term, something plus 1. But I have the number 17. So in this case, 16 plus 1. How is 16 related to 4? Are you thinking of 4 squared? So maybe let us take a look. If I have n equals to 5, without looking at the final number, let us see. 5, if I have from here 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 9 is 3 square plus 1, and 4 square plus 1. According to my theory now, I should have 5 square plus 1, which gives me 25 plus 1, which gives me 26, which is correct. Hence, let us test one more. N equals to 6. When n equals to 6, I have 6 square plus 1, which is 36 plus 1, and that gives me the number 37, which is correct again. Hence, I can write down the nth term. What do you mean by the nth term? When n equals to 1, is 1 square plus 1. When n equals to 5, is 5 square plus 1. When n equals to 6, is 6 square plus 1. So when n is just n, the term will be n square plus 1. This will give you the nth term formula. Have you gotten your answer?